So this is what I'm at with this. I had it pinned down, and I was running a pass, and I got a catch, and I made a huge swirl all the way around, which took like half an hour of slowly, because I don't want to lose any thickness to get rid of them. But this is a bit outside of my territory here, considering that I'm only been wood turning for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. This particular crack here screams dangerous to me, especially having this other one. I haven't done 10 under a recess because I couldn't make up my mind. I think I will do a recess, but just for the sake of, I really like natural wood, but I think I'm gonna have to put CA on this and either scrape it or sand it again. I got some tool marks going here that I have to get rid of, and that's my struggle right now. Is well, I mean, I'm assuming it's gonna take maybe a few years, but I strive to be able to do something off the tool, or at least start around 320 sanded. As long as I'm below that, I will call myself a wannabe wood turner. But anyways. Well, let's tackle the other half of this Crotch piece. I believe I was told this black walnut, but it's sat for 15 years. I have a little chip that came off here that I'm mad about, and I had a little glue run, CA glue. I also broke one of my screws for my plate, so I have to dig a big hole there. So anyways, I hope one of these wings doesn't get to me. And yeah, let's have a fight with this guy. So, after a big fight, some glue to fill cracks, this guy is ready for interior sanding. It's very minor tool marks. So I'm gonna try my new America sander in this, and let's see what it looks when it's done. Well, here we are. This is my finished piece. I still have to finish the bottom. I'm gonna have to make a jump jack for it. Yeah, I took advantage and did a review of a little America sander, and it's unbelievable, that little thing. But anyways, I'm gonna finish this a couple times. I'm gonna do some scratch free first, which is this stuff here. It's more of a polish to get rid of fine stuff, and you can either apply oil over it or remove it, the wax part, and do a different finish. If you're gonna use like a shellac or some other what is it, like polyurethane type finish. So this I'm going to apply heavy and then turn the lathe on, and it says to apply it with the lathe on, but this is going to be difficult being a live edge. So this is what well, boom, she's finished. Check out, I hope you can see this crack. I didn't feel the cracks on the bottom. They almost go like right through. Anyways, I still this has just the sander saver. I'm gonna clean that up with alcohol, and I'm gonna use some walnut oil, and that will be his resting place somewhere. Anyways, that's it for this one. Thank you for being here. Ciao, ciao.